Alright, so I have some chicken thighs. I didn't use chicken breasts. And this is called Crock chicken, which I think there's a bunch of different versions, but I have a package of ranch. And so I'm going to sprinkle the ranch on the chicken. And then I'm going to take a block of cream cheese. Cream cheese. Good. And I'm going to cook this on 4 hours on high. It says to cook it between 4 to 6 hours. And I have the nights this week, so I've got to make sure I have his dinner ready by 3. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it on for 4 hours on high. Okay, and this is the only liquid so far that they've called for. So as it cooks, I'm going to check it and see. And I'll see you back in about 4 to 6 hours. Okay, so that is chicken crack. Not sure why. And then what I did was is I added some spinach to it. So I add a little spinach and a little half and half to give it a little bit more creamier look, and it turned out really good. And then I put a little bit of rice with this dish, and alright, let's go get you some tea. Let me know what you think. Alright, see y'all later.